Hello, Professor Johnson again, and we're continuing on with our anthropometric measurements. Now we're doing pounds and kilograms. So 1 kilogram equals 2.2 pounds. So if a woman weighs 125 pounds, what does she weigh in kilograms? So I have 125 pounds divided by, that's what that is, divided by 2.2 equals 56.8. Rounding that up, zero point 0.5 and higher, you round up. So that would give you 57 kilograms. Now, you would be more precise if you were in a clinical setting, but for our purposes, we're going to round up on this. So if we know she weighs 57 kilograms, if we multiply that by 2.2, we come up with 125.4, or rounding down is 125 pounds. So again, if we have someone that weighs 160 pounds, we divide that by 2.2, we come up with 72.7 or 73 kilograms, rounding up. 72.7 times 2.2 is 159.94, or rounding up is 160 pounds. Let me label this, because you always should label. There we go. All right, so you take the weight in pounds, you divide that by 2.2 and equals weight in kilograms. Your weight in kilograms multiplied by 2.2 will give you weight in pounds. Okay, you'll have to do these conversions for those anthropometric measurements on page 8, but also for our test. And you'll just have to know these conversions. All right, see you in the next tutorial. Bye now.